We put this in such a high pedestal that this had become the best Jordan 1s in terms of quality. Well, is it really the best? Who knows? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in for another fucking video, guys. Today, we're gonna take a look at, surprisingly, well, accordingly to everybody out there, apparently I've been missing out on these, you know? In a lot of people's eyes, these are quite possibly the best Air Jordan 1s in terms of quality. Before we get started in the video, guys, full disclaimer, anybody under the age of 18, this channel may not be suitable for you guys. I do cuss and I do smoke, so those who get a little bit sensitive and not really fucking with this type of content, please feel free to click the fuck away. And nobody's forcing you guys to watch me, alright? And for those of you guys that are new to the channel and fuck with this type of content, please do hit that subscribe button real quick. And yeah, give me a thumbs up quick and light one up with me. You know, today we got my my trusted bong here. You know what? I'm quite intrigued, to be honest. I am quite intrigued. Cheers. First things first, guys, shout out to my homie 604 Souls, Mark. Thank you for letting me have this pair in a little bit. And as you guys can see, wow, that bong rip hit me. As you can see, this is a pair of Shattered Backboard 1.0. What can I say about it? Well, first off, the color, still not for me, not gonna lie. I hate orange. I'm not a fan of orange. But, in terms of the colorway, the shade of orange, I gotta admit, definitely not what I expected. The color is a little duller than what I initially thought it would be. So that changes my point of view a little bit. Just a little. I still won't pay for this shit though. Just because I'm not fucking with orange. But the first thing that I noticed as soon as I took this off the box is the goddamn tongue. Now the tongue on these, my goodness. Those of you guys that own a pair, I get it. I get why this is the standard of Jordan 1 quality. I don't know what the fuck happened from 2015 to 2000, whatever the fuck it is now. Why couldn't they give us the same quality, same materials and everything, same padding? I would love to have one of my, like all my Jordan 1s being like this, like yo, flippity flap flap, bruh. Like, what is this? Look how thick this is. This is sick. Because my most comfortable Jordans of all time are the Chicago 1s and those damn freaking fragments. For some odd reason, the fragments just fits different. Squishy, you know, like the leather is so soft and shit like that. It's so nice to wear and shit. When I felt this, oh my God. The toe box on these, bruh, these are like so soft, man. So fucking soft. This part right here, look, comparing it, I'm gonna take out a bunch of my pairs here. This is a pair of Shadows from 2009. This is a pair of from 2001. Check this shit out. And bredtoes, one of the best quality Jordan 1s out there. These damn freaking UNC's, Obsidians, I have 3 pairs of these for good reason. And then we have, well, I'm just gonna put this out right here. The Travis Scott 1s. I mean, look, I guess you can put the fragments in there, but now I have 2, 4, 6 pairs here, guys. 6 fucking pairs of sneakers here. Those of you guys that own a pair of these, the 2001s, the leather on these, it looks kind of plasticky, but the materials are being used, yo, legit. They're nice. They're soft leather. And then when they crease nicely. Like, they don't have to be tumbled, you know what I mean? And then look, the 2009 pair, the black part of it, the black leather on there, that's the nice part about this pair. That's it. This and this, I honestly thought that this is close to this. Both of these right here, different. This is so fucking soft. Jordan brand, what do we need to do as consumers to get this type of material on every Jordan 1? Honestly guys, like, now they're raising the prices to like 175 to 200 on some shit. Why can't we just give us this quality? I won't mind paying fucking 200. Take my money, I'm good. As long as I'm fucking happy. Get me 2-3 pairs each time and then mass produce them. I don't give a fuck about all this resellers and shit like that. Honestly, Jordan brand, just mass produce us a bunch of these at the 200 or even 250 price point. I don't give a fuck. Just my honest opinion, man. Just my honest opinion. And then comparing this to this, I thought that this is one of the better quality ones to release so far this year. Well guys, it is in 2019. Yes, this is probably the best, one of the best non-OG colorway. But this and this, the bredtoes wins over this. Not gonna lie. Now, I've held the 2011 band, and my homie Gavin has a pair too. And let me tell you, this is still softer. I get it. The softness of it, right here, the toe box is really soft. This is the money right here, right? Overall, I don't really judge it like that. This is the Travis Scott ones as well. This pair right here is actually pretty fucking sick. Like, the materials on these is pretty dope. But in terms of all the Jordan 1s that I feel like was good quality, yes. This shattered backboard, is it worth $1,000 for? The Gatorades, you know, the orange Gatorades and stuff like that, they are pretty good in quality as well. I'm not really sure if it's as soft as this. You can just customize a pair, because $1,000 for this pair, to me, not worth it. Would you pick the Travis Scott or the shattered backboards for that price? This is just a colorway. This is just a colorway as well, but look at the inverted swoosh there. But like always, to each their own, guys. I guess the hype is real on these. Alright, that is it to today's video, guys. Those of you guys that are interested, I do have a link down below for Resell for 10% off all your orders. And yeah, keep those sneakers clean, bro. Keep those sneakers clean. That being said, man, thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. Shattered backboards, definitely still not worth it in my opinion. Alright, thank you for watching. Till next time, guys. Peace.